name is Radek and this is my workshop. I would like to talk in this episode about the Smart Vise, which today in February 2019 is on sale. There is a promotion going on Affinity website. So you can get this vise together with a miter box. I took advantage of this promotion. Here it arrives, and I would like to show you how I'm gonna mount this vise. So first of all, they call it mobile workstation. Why? Because it can be just attached temporarily on top of your table, as you can see on those drawings. You can either screw it on top or clamp it on top of your table, and that might work for people who are not using very often vices or just don't have proper workbench. I built myself a workbench, and I wouldn't want the vise to protrude from it. So today I would like to show you how am I gonna mount it flushed with a surface of the workbench. Before I show you my way of installing this Sjobergs vise, let's do it the right way, the way it was intended. To assemble the vise proper way, you don't need any tools really, everything is provided in a box. You have to flip everything upside down, and this is how it's done. First of all, this piece of laminated or veneered MDF, we flip it upside down and you place those small wooden dowels in those holes where it matches. Now this block of pine goes right here. The small dowels will guide it in the right place. The third part is this Baltic birch plywood that has to go right here. You have two types of those screws. Let's pick the longer one and place them in those 6 holes. Okay, and finally the vise itself. We slide it right here. And we use the shorter screws to attach it to the rest of the assembly. In the box you will also find those bigger wooden dowels, and they go here. There are 3 ways to use this vise. First of all, we can just place it on top of the workbench or table. Or you can permanently or semi-permanently screw it onto the top of the bench with screws that are not provided. Or you can also use clamps to clamp it down. Now it works much better. And now let me show you how to install this Sjobergs vise flushed with the table. What I really like about this vise is possibility to use bench docks. You put two of them here on that movable part, and two others supposed to go on this part, which we are not going to use. So as you can guess, I'm gonna use this part as a template to drill holes in the workbench top. So I used Forstner bead 3/4 of an inch to drill those holes. I drilled 10 of them altogether. Of course you can drill more if you are working with bigger pieces. I think for now I'm good. Maybe in the future, if I have bigger board, I will drill more. Let's see how it works. Seems nice.